Croeso, welcome to the Futures Team induction video. The college recognises that your success depends on more than just your qualification. The Futures Team is a cross-college destination group who aim to help you realise your aspirations, whatever they may be. There are 3 members in the Futures Team who work with key external partners, and they are based on the Ystrad Mynach campus, but cover all 4 campuses. Sam Hobby is the coordinator for higher education, UCAS applications, and is the link for Careers Wales. Sam works with key institutions to organise a series of events, bespoke talks and university visits. Supports learners with the completion of their UCAS applications and has developed resources to enable your tutor to provide you with the advice, support and guidance that you need, like the UCAS Learner Handbook. Leslie Cultron is the college's enterprise champion. Leslie supports learners from any subject area to develop business ideas and offers mentoring to those who are ready to launch. She also offers opportunities to demonstrate transferable skills through competitions and other events, works with key external partners like Big Ideas Wales role models, and is happy to chat to any learner, from the curious to the established business. Michelle Harris-Cocker is the coordinator for learners' employability support and links with employers for job opportunities through the Employment Bureau. Michelle offers impartial information, advice and guidance around career pathways, work experience, volunteering, apprenticeships, and part-time and full-time employment opportunities. Supports learners with employability skills such as CVs, cover letters, job search, job applications and interviews, and matches learners to jobs and apprenticeship opportunities through the Employment Bureau. The Futures Team can support you through one-to-one support sessions, face-to-face or remotely using digital platforms such as Microsoft Teams, group support sessions arranged by your tutor, competitions, projects and events, futures on the college website, group sessions arranged by the UCAS coordinator, drop-in sessions by email or telephone conversation, or through social media, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter and the college app. To find out more about the Futures Team and what they offer, visit the college website, click on For Students and you will find the Futures link. Finally, please check your college email, as we are sending out a very short survey on your current destination choices. This will enable us to better understand how we can support you. One lucky learner will be chosen from the responses to receive a £25 High Street voucher. Good luck.